Hello. Today we're going to do Module 2, Lesson 18. Now, our objective today is that we're going to decompose wants to subtract measurements, including 3-digit minuends, with zeros in the tens or ones place. Now, look down here. If you wonder what a minuend is the number that is being subtracted. That's all it is. Okay, so that gives you a clue that we're going to be doing some subtraction. But our application problem is a different sort of a problem. So let's do this first. Let's read it. Tara brings 2 bottles of water on her hike. The first bottle has 471 milliliters of water. The second bottle has 354 milliliters of water. How many milliliters of water does Tara bring on her hike? So we're going to first need to do our addition problem. Now, if I'm making a tape diagram, I have 2 pieces of tape. One piece is for one bottle, the other piece is for the other bottle. So this is 471 milliliters. And this is our other bottle, which is 354 milliliters. Okay, now that being said, I want to know how much water, or the total, that she brought. So pause the video and give it a shot. All right, welcome back. So if it's an addition problem, we know how to set that up. We can write it over here, 471 plus 354. Okay, now please don't forget your addition symbols, your line, all of these things, even though they're little, are very important. 1 plus 4 is what? 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 100 plus 400 is 500. 500 plus 300 would be 500, 600, 700, 800. So we have 825. But what is it? We need to add our label. 825 milliliters of water. Okay, and if you wanted, you could even circle that. Okay, now keep this in mind. Let's remember 825 milliliters for our next problem, because we're not done with Tara just yet. Okay, I'll clear that. Move on. Now, she had how much water? Let's write that up here. She had 825 milliliters. That's how much water she was carrying with her when she started her hike. But now, Tara has 132 milliliters of water left after hiking. So how much did she drink? Well, let's do this on the place value chart first. So let's put 825 here on our place value chart. We're going to start with the ones. I'm going to have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is. Okay, how many tens do I have? I have 2 tens. 1, 2. How many hundreds do I have? I've got 8 hundreds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, how many am I taking away? Well, we're going to be taking away 132 milliliters. So we always start on the one side. Let's take away 2. Let's see. I'm going to do this in blue. Let's take away 2. We're going to take away these 2. Okay, now we take away 3 tens. Oh, I can't take away 3 tens. So I need to get some more tens in order to take 3 tens away. In order to do that, I need to move or regroup 100. I'm going to put 100 over here. Okay, now that being said, going back to black, if I move 100 over here, how many tens is 100? That's right, it's going to be 10 tens, so I have to put 10 tens over here. So I've got 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is what I've added, this bunch right here, because 10 tens is the same as 100. Okay, now how many hundreds do I need to take away? I need to take 3 away. Okay, let me get blue again. Okay, now let's take 3 away. 1, 2, 3. How many hundreds am I going to take away? I'm going to take away 100. Do I take this one away? No, because this is already taken away. It's already gone. Okay? Already gone. That's what happened over here. So I need to take away another 100. Okay. Now, we read what is left. So how many ones do I have? I have 3 ones. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, how many milliliters did she drink? She drank 693 milliliters. Let's write that. She drank. Okay? And here's our answer. Now, let's do another kind of a problem. So we can show it here using a place value chart, but let's show it another way. Let's do something else. Okay, we're going to clear it and move on to the next slide. Hopefully. There we go. Now this time, we're going to be doing something with a tape diagram. Now we have not ever done subtraction with a tape diagram, so let's give it a shot. See what that looks like, because that's a little bit different. Okay, this is about Newran. Newran buys 507 grams of grapes at the market on Tuesday. On Thursday, he buys 349 grams of grapes. How many more grams of grapes did Newran buy on Tuesday than he did on Thursday? All right, now, please make this as I'm making this. Make sure I have black. Now, I'm going to first make a tape diagram. Well, how many grams of grapes does he have? This is how many he buys on Tuesday. Okay? Now, if I were adding and they wanted to know how many total, I would need 2 pieces of tape. One for Tuesday, one for Thursday, but they don't want to know that. They want to know the difference. So, this piece is what we're going to take away. This is what he did on Thursday. So this is the piece from here to here that we don't know. This is what we have to find out. So, please, this is how you would draw a subtraction tape diagram. Now let's figure out how to do the math. We're going to have 507 grams. Whoops, it's a Y. Now we're going to take away 345 grams. Then we're going to do this, right? Go ahead and pause the video and see what you get. Okay, welcome back. Let's take away, this right here is going to be our minuend. This 345 is our minuend. This is the number we're subtracting. Okay, 7, take away 5. What is that? What's left? 2 is left. I have 0. I can't take away 4 from a 0, so I need to regroup. I need to borrow. So when I borrow, I'm going to put the 4 here, and I'm putting the 1. No, they want you to put it here. I'm going to put it here. Okay, so now we have 10, take away 4. What do we have? 6. And 400, take away 300 is 100. And what is it? 162 grams of grapes. All right, and that is our lesson for today. I hope you have a good day and good luck with your homework.